Hi, I'm Sandy, sales expert from K Hair Factory. K Hair Factory is one of the best Vietnamese hair factory supplying human hair around the world. With the large market and distribution, we assure a mixed variety of payment methods to facilitate our customers, like bank, Western Union, Remitly, RIA, or Zelle. However, with the given method, it will take about some hours to some days for us to confirm. It really affects the production time and affect your business. So today in this video, I will introduce another fast method that prevents this problem. It's via Visa card or Mastercard. Your order must be produced immediately after completing payment via them. Follow me and I'm about to give instruction about this method, one of the most popular inquiry from customers recently. First, our factory cooperated with OnePay payment gateway to accept online card payment. All of your card information are processed through SSL protocol with international card security standard. Your card information will not be stored at our system, but Mastercard or Visa card with international security standard. Obviously, our sales staff have to establish and send you a OnePay link for payment based on some compulsory field of information you provide. In details, you guys must give your name, full address, country, email to our sales staff. After around from 5 to 10 minutes, K Hair staff will send you an email which notifies again all information of your order and the payment link to confirm. Here is an example. You guys can check again and require our sales to fix again if there's anything wrong about your order information. Then we can resend the right one again. Besides this, the sales will resend the payment link to the box chat, which is more convenient for you guys. When you click on the link, your devices will appear like this. You can see on the top left corner of this is our logo, link website of K Hair Factory. Below you can see your full information in customer information part. Then is your order information including the total cost, like the total in the invoice. The next part clarifies the exchange rate of US dollar to Vietnam dong, our currency, and the total amount including transaction fees. Normally with the amount below $1,500, it charges about 4% of total cost, and it will take about 3% oppositely. The most serious part is the policy of this payment method. If you agree with it, then choose the button to complete payment. It will change to the screenshot like transaction was paid successfully will be appearing on top. Kindly take a screenshot and send to our sales so your order can be started immediately. In case it notifies transaction is pending, please contact merchant. Then you guys can try again in the next 5 minutes. Maybe the system was interrupted because of the full access at the once time. Otherwise, inform that state with our sale. They will support immediately. Reversely, you change your mind, you want to change method, you can ask it, and we will suggest other selected methods of payment for you guys to place an order. Well, that's all instruction about Visa card and Mastercard method of payment. If you guys need more detail about our product and want to get the best deal, wholesale price, please follow my Instagram and contact WhatsApp number in the detail box. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.